Hey guys, and welcome back to Guys Tribe. So, Xiaomi just announced the new Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 and the Redmi Note 8 Pro, which happens to be the first device to have a 64-megapixel camera alongside with another triple cameras. This video is all about what you should know about this device, and also we will see what has been improved compared to the previous Xiaomi Redmi Note 7. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel because it really means a lot to me. Thanks for doing that. So, let's see all about the new Redmi Note 8 and the Redmi Note 8 Pro side by side. Talking about the display on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8, there's a 6.3-inch IPS display and a 6.53-inch IPS display on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro. They both have a 1080p resolution and a 19.5:9 aspect ratio with a water drop notch at the top of the screen, and the screen to body ratio is not bad at all. Talking about the software aspect, on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8, it runs on Android 9.0 Pie with Snapdragon 665 chipset, and on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro, there is the MediaTek Helio G90T chipset which runs on Android 9.0 Pie as well. The new MediaTek Helio G90T is made specially for handling games, so the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro will handle most of your heavy games without any lags, be it Fortnite or PUBG. Now, let's talk about the camera aspect, which seems to be the main highlight of the new Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 and most especially the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro. On the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8, there is a 48-megapixel main camera lens, an 8-megapixel wide-angle lens, a 2-megapixel for macro photography, and another 2-megapixel for depth sensor, and on the front there is a 30-megapixel camera. On the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro, there is also a quad camera which has a 64-megapixel main camera lens, an 8-megapixel wide-angle lens, a 2-megapixel for macro photography, and another 2-megapixel for depth sensor, and on the front there's a 20-megapixel camera. On the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8, there is a 4GB and a 6GB RAM version, and also a 64GB and 128GB storage version with SD card option. On the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro, there is a 6GB RAM version with 64GB and 128GB internal storage, and a single 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. There is no in-display fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint sensor is on the back of the device, and also there is no pop-up selfie camera. The front camera is hidden inside the notch on the 6.53 and the 6.3 IPS display on the device. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 uses a 4000 mAh battery with USB Type-C which has a fast charging of 18 watts. And on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro, it uses a 4005 mAh battery with USB Type-C and also has a fast charging of 18 watts. Now, let's see what has changed compared to the Xiaomi Redmi Note 7. The first noticeable upgrade is in the camera aspect. The Note 7 has a dual camera, but now the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 has doubled that and uses a quad camera. The processor on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 uses a Snapdragon 660 chipset. Now, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 and the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro uses a Snapdragon 665 and a MediaTek Helio G90T respectively. The storage option has also been improved too. So now, you have the double of what you have on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8. Let's talk about the price. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 is set to go on sale for as low as 55,000 naira, and the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro for as low as 72,000 naira. But this price might vary depending on the storage option you are going for. So, that is all about the new Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 and the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro. Drop a comment about what you love about this device in the comment section under this video. Please don't forget to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next one.